For all those who are aspiring to learn MIGS, just have no second thoughts before being mentored by Dr. Prasanna, as he and his team will leave no stones unturned to teach you the best they can. I had a great experience here at Mahatma Eye Hospital. Firstly, the doctors and the staff are very welcoming, they're very polite and helpful. They have impressive patient workload here, from busy clinics to top-notch high-tech OT services. They provide all the subspecialties under one roof by a highly trained staff. Other than a teaching institute, what stood up for this institute for me is their dedicated research team who's working day in and day out, coming up with innovative ideas under the guidance of Dr. Prasanna. I got exposure to all the 5 techniques in just 4 days. Kudos to Dr. Prasanna and his team for lining up the OT so thoughtfully. I would also like to say that a month prior to coming here, I had a video session with Dr. Prasanna regarding the direct gonioscopy, which was really a game changer, because when I came to Trichy, I was kind of already comfortable performing direct gonioscopy, and that gave Dr. Prasanna the chance to push me to refine my surgical skills further. The curriculum was very thoughtfully designed. It included wet lab sessions and of course hands-on live surgical experience. The OT lineup was very thoughtful. It covered all the kinds of MIGS that we can practice in India, including KTB, bank. I-STIN practice was also there.
So now we are going to click, but we are not going to release the click, okay? Do the click whenever you are ready. Yes, don't release the click, don't release the click. Come back, come back, come back, come back.
Dr. Prasanna is a very passionate teacher, and it shows in the training that he gave. He never gets tired of teaching. He's easily approachable, being the student who can easily go and clarify your doubts with him. And when you are performing the surgery and your hands are a bit shaky, you are having a learning curve, he's very patient with you and he motivates you from behind, and he just pushes you to your limits. So I know Dr. Prasanna through UC platform, and I've been following this excellent work that he has been doing in MIGS. So during one of the conferences, I expressed my interest in getting trained from him, and he connected me to his fellowship coordinator. From there on, the process was very smooth. They were also very considerate about the dates that I was comfortable with for traveling to Trichy.